We need to think about the lawn and give a little bit of attention to the lawn because grass is still growing, but in order to keep it nice and green over the summer, the secret is to mow little and often. The more you mow, the easier the job is, but it also means the grass is never stressed. The worst thing you can do is allow it to grow tall and cut it short because that really does stress it. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the grass collection box, and I'm not going to use that at all for the rest of the summer. So that can now disappear. And with this particular mower, it comes with the option of putting in what we call a mulching plug. And this basically is just a piece of plastic that we put in the back of the mower that blocks the hole, and that stops any grass blowing out into the grass bag. So it means it stays within the deck, it whizzes round, the blades chop it really, really finely, it blows it down into the cover of the grass, and that rots away quickly, but it also feeds the lawn because it recycles the nitrogen. So it helps to keep our lawn lovely and green all through the summer, even if it's dry. And the other thing we can do is raise the height of cut slightly. Don't mow the lawn too close because again, that stresses it and scalps it. So literally just lift it one notch so that we're letting it grow a little bit longer, and it again helps to keep it green. With the mulch mowing, we get no grass left on the grass, leaves it really neat and finished, and it's really fast to do as well.